Hello! Today I'm going to be fixing the leak on my heater. I replaced the expansion tank the other day, and today we're going to be doing the relief valve. So let's get started. Okay, so here's where the old one was, and then the pipe was going down this way, so it left no room, or I should say very little, less than half an inch to maneuver it to try and get it off, so there's no way to unthread it. Even to desolder it, you're too close to everything, so I didn't want to take a chance, so I just used my reciprocating saw. That right there with the metal blade in it, metal cutting blade, and cut the old one off, which was this piece here, which was an elbow and then going down. So now I've got the new one, which I've got to put a thread here, so I'm going to turn it this way. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get the Teflon thread on everything and just the little sleeves and stuff, put those together, and then I'll just show you what it looks like, and then get everything put back together. Alright, be right back. Okay, so I got the piece here. It's for male fitting to go to the two female fittings. I'm not sure why this one's not made with the male, but it wasn't. The old one was, but I had to get that so that I could go the female to female. Anyway, I got those with Teflon coating on them. They thread both the same way, so once you start one, you're turning it clockwise, and it will tighten them both down. So like I said, I'm going to try and end with it out this way. Actually, I'm going to try and go a little bit more so it's straight down a little bit more toward the back, plus it's high enough that it's not right in front of the pump here. So I'm going to keep getting this tightened around, and then I'll come back and show you to get the piece here. And these are the SharkBite fittings, by the way. I'll link these to Amazon when I'm done. Okay, I got that perfect where I wanted it. I've tightened it down with this pretty much to as far as I wanted to go there. Then I turned this a few turns to kind of get them even, and then I did one more rotation to get this exactly where I want it. Like I said, here's the long piece for the drain, which is going to go behind here, and then I've got a small sleeve to extend out with an elbow, and I'm doing all that with the SharkBite fittings, so I don't have to do any soldering. Okay, I got that piece on. So now I'm going to take the other pipe, put it in there, and then put the elbow and put it down, and it should be good to go. See if I can do this one-handed. We'll clip out that still. Okay, so it's going to go in there. And there, it's in there. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the elbow. Okay, got that. Now I'm going to have to put the camera down and do the rest, and then I'll come back. Okay, I got it all in. This is all the SharkBite, which I've never used, but I hear it works great. It was definitely easy. You just push the pipes in, and then there's a tool that comes down, goes on, and it pushes this sleeve in, which then disengages the teeth, and you can pop it right off. So if you ever need to fix it. But anyway, I've got my tote back under, and I'm going to turn the water back on and see if I get any leaks. See, our pressure built right back up. So nothing running out, but I'm going to leave it going for probably 15 minutes, turn on my heater, and I'll come back and see if it's leaking. Okay, came back in here, and no leaks. So that's a good sign. Nothing in the tote, nothing leaking up along the pipes or anything. Now it replaced the expansion tank and the relief valve, which probably a total cost of $70. No, it's probably not quite $100 with these SharkBite pieces. Other than that, I didn't need any other parts. I already had Teflon tape and stuff. But so anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, just do that below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.